children. Good morning.
Children, take out your activity books. Children, open page number 30. Lesson name plants and animals. See here, children. This activity, see here. Parts of some plants are numbered in group A. This is a group A, children. Parts of some plants are numbered in group A. Put the related number to the some plant in group B. Okay, children, see here. What is this? Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd number 1. Papaya leaf number 2. Brinjal flower number 3. Coconut number 4. Lotus leaf number 5. Banana flower number 6. Mango leaves number 7. Hibiscus flower number 8. These are in group A. Parts of some plants are numbered in group A. Now number group B. See here, children. What is this? This is a number papaya fruit. Group B, papaya fruit, coconut leaf, lotus flower, bananas, mango, hibiscus leaf, brinjal, bitter gourd leaves. Right here number 2. Papaya. Number 4. Coconut. Right here number 4. Coconut leaves. Next, right here number 5. Lotus leaf. Right here number 6. Banana flower. Next, right here number 7. Mango leaves. Right here number 8. Hibiscus leaves. Next, right here number 3. Brinjal. Number 1. Bitter gourd. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 1. Next page, children, page number 31. Label each component in the process of photosynthesis. What is called photosynthesis, children? Green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll, green color pigment, using water from soil and carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Okay, children, right here. Sunlight. What is this? Sunlight. Label each component in the process of photosynthesis. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. Next, carbon dioxide. CarbonDioxide, carbon dioxide. Next, water. WATER, water. In this process, release oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, oxygen. Okay, children, write neatly. Already labels here: carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, oxygen. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, oxygen. Next activity, children. 4 similar plants A, B, C, D are grown with different conditions as shown below. Which plant lives healthily for a longer period? 4 similar plants A, B, C, D are grown with different conditions as shown below. A, B, C, D. Which plant live healthily for a longer period? Right here, children, plant A, B, C, D. Available, unavailable. See here, children, A plant. This is a plant. Sunlight and air available. Right here, sunlight and air. SUNLIGHT. sunlight, comma, air, air, sunlight, air. Unavailable here, water. Right here, water, water, water. Next, B plant. Here, water available and air available. Unavailable, sunlight. Right here, water, water available, air, air available. Unavailable, sunlight, sunlight, sunlight. Next, number C. This is a airtight box. Okay, sunlight available and water available. Right here, sunlight, sunlight, water, water. Unavailable, air, air. This is a green plant. Dark room. This indicates dark room. Sun, water, airtight box. Next, D. Here, water available, sunlight available, air available. Okay, unavailable, any not here. Correct answer number D. D plant lives healthily for a longer period. Okay, children. Right here, number D. Next, children, take out your course book. Open page number 38. In the previous class, you learnt about plants. Now, I am going to tell you about animals. See here, children. Can you name these animals? Do all these animals live in only one place? See here, children. Elephant, lion, zebra, giraffe, cheetah, rhino, deer. These are live in only one place. That place is called forest. These type of animals are called wild animals. Wild animals live in forest. Okay, children. Next, where do you find animals? Some animals live on land, some animals live in water, some animals live on land and live in water also. This type of animals are called amphibia. See here, children. Live on land. Dog, lion, ostrich, man. Human being also animal. These type of animals live on land. See here, children. Fish, prawn, seahorse, dolphin, shark. These type of animals live in water. This type of animals are called aquatic animal or water animal. Next, both on land and in water. Crocodile, frog, crab, tortoise. This type of animals are called amphibia animals. Live on land and in water. Next, some animals live on trees. Example, snake, parrot, owl, monkey, squirrel. This type of animals live on trees. Next, this type of animals live underground. Ants, rat, earthworms, ants. This type of animals live in underground. Next, pigeon, dragonfly, butterfly, bats, hen, crane. These type of animals live in air, children. Hen live on land only. Okay, some animals live on land, some animals live in water, some animals live on land and in water, some animals live on trees, some animals live in underground, some animals live in air. Human beings, birds and insects are also animals. See here, children. Cow, horse, donkey, buffalo, sheep, hen, camel, goat, duck, pig. These type of animals are called domestic animals. We keep, raise and use some animals for our benefit. These are called domestic animals. What are called domestic animals, children? Raise and use some animals for our benefit. These are called domestic animals. Example: cow, horse, buffalo, goat, sheep, pig, camel, duck, hen, donkey. See in this picture, children: cat, chick, tortoise, rabbit, parrot, fish. These type of animals are called pet animals. Which animal would you like to play with at home? Will you feed it? Will you care for it? A domestic animal cared for companionship or pleasure is called a pet animal. What are called pet animals, children? What is called pet animals? A domestic animal cared for companionship or pleasure is called a pet. See here, children: crocodile, tiger, hippopotamus, python, shark, rhino, vulture, zebra, giraffe. These type of called animals wild animals. Wild animals live in only forest. Wild animals live on their own in their natural habitat, either in forest or in water. We can find some of these animals in the zoo and safari also. Next, see here, children: dolphins, elephant, seal. Some wild animals can be tamed and trained to do some work for us. For example, dolphin, elephant, seal. Next, children: where do animals live? Do they have homes? Yes. Just like us, animals too need shelter to protect themselves from the sun, rain, cold and enemies. Their shelter are their homes. Some animals build their own shelters called nest. Example: birds. Birds build their own shelter, nest. See here, children: honeybees make hive to live in. Honeybees make hives to live in. Spider spins a cobweb to live in. Mice dig holes to live in. Ants build and live in ant hills. Snakes live in holes and ant hills. Rabbits dig burrows to live in. Woodpeckers make holes in tree trunks to live in. Woodpecker makes holes in tree trunks to live in. Snakes live in holes and ant hills. Honeybees make hives to live in. Rabbits dig burrows to live in. Birds build their own shelter. This is called nest. Next, children: some animals cannot make shelters on their own, so they take shelter in some convenient. Some animals cannot make shelters on their own, so they take shelter in some convenient places. See here, children: lion live in den, owl live in tree hole. Next, deer live in grass. Monkey live on trees. These type of animals cannot make shelters on their own, so they take shelter in some convenient places. Let's see here, children: we build shelters for domestic animals. This is a dog kennel. Dog live in kennel. Cow live in shed. Horse live in stable. Hen live in coop. Okay children, kennel, shed, stable, coop. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.